In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your voice on your Mac computer. So I'll be showing you how to use a built-in audio recorder, and this is going to allow you to record your voice and your microphone. So all we need to do is go and click on the launch pad in the bottom navigation, and then using the search box, we need to type in QuickTime, and you need to go and open up the QuickTime Player. Now once you have this open, we can click on File in the top left hand side, and you can select New Audio Recording. Now as you can see, this is going to bring up this window here. You can click on the microphone in the top right hand side, and you can go and select your different microphone mode. Now if you've got an external microphone connected to your Mac, then you can click on this drop down arrow next to the record symbol and you can select your microphone from the list. Now if you only have one microphone connected to your computer, such as the built-in mic, then you won't be able to click on the drop down arrow and it will just automatically select the default microphone. Now once you're ready to begin recording, just go and click this record button, and as you can see, that's going to start recording our audio. Once you finish with the recording, you can press the stop button and you can click on the play button to hear back your voice. Now to go and save this to your computer, click on File in the top left hand side and press Save. You can then select where you want to save this audio file to, and you can give it a name, and then we can just press save like so. As you can see, this audio file's now been saved over to my desktop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.